Hi viewers, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will learn about the another concept, that is CSS specificity. So I will have a little bit of spelling mistake by specificity. So this is also one of the questions. They will be asking you that about the CSS specificity. What are the CSS specificities? Now let's say that when you are applying an element, okay, so if you have a div element or anything, when you want to apply the color or something like that to that means, so you'll not able to understand so which one has the higher importance. So you'll be keeping important for a property. So for the CSS property we'll be keeping important, for otherwise we are giving for the ID selector or for the class selector for the element. So like this we will be giving, right? So which one has the highest importance, which one is the specific, which one is the more specific, so that comes under the CSS specificity. So let's I will try to show you a simple demo for this one. So this is also one of the important thing. So HTML5, I am keeping the HTML5 here. So now here let's say that I have an H2, okay, so this is the H2. I will be giving Leela WebDev, okay. So normally this is the output. So if we try to see here, we will be able to see the output here. Let's try to refresh it. Yeah, we are able to see the output, right? Now for this one, normally if we keep the style, okay, so first one is the star. So every element in this one should be of color of type red. So that means it may be H2, it may be a div or anything. So this one has a point. So let's take that as a point. So this one has a point of 0. So this doesn't have any importance. Okay. So if any nothing is there to be applied to this H2 means, so it will take this one color as the red as a criteria. So next one is this one is called as nothing but universal selector. Okay. Next one is an element. Now here you are having H2, right? So you can write with an H2. I can take the element directly. I can write with an H2 color of green. Now which one will be taken the highest preference for this element type of selectors? You will be having, let's say that point, it will be having 1. Okay, the specificity is 1. So now which one is the highest point you are having here? So star is having 0 and 1. So this will be taken as the priority. Now the color will change to green. If you try to see here, so sorry, let's try to save this one. So if I save this one, see here it has changed it to green. Why? Because so now both are there for this one. Okay, so both are there. So which one will be taken as the highest preference? So H2 will be taken as the highest preference. Why? Because so it is having a point of 1. Now let's say that I am again applying H2 at somewhere at the top, and I am applying to color of type yellow. So now what could be the specificity of this one? So you can mention this one as a point of 1. We know that element is a point of 1, right? So I am mentioning this one as point of 1. So now in this type of scenario, so we know that the execution will be top down approach. So whichever comes the last, so that will be applied. So now these both is having the same points. So now for that reason, so last one will be taken as the preference. So for that reason, yellow is applied to this one. Okay, now we understood that first is the star thing, so which doesn't have any specificity or any value. So second is the element, and the third one is a class. For example, if you are having a class for this one, okay, so class is equal to header. Let's say that I am adding a header for this one. So now if you take this one dot header, okay, now I am taking it as a color as blue. Now this class selector will have a point of 10 points. So this one has a 10 points. Now if you try to save it here, automatically the color will be applied, will be blue. Why? Because so now out of the same element H2, so these many are applied. So these all the CSS will be applied to this H2. So it is the H2, it is H2 star, and also it has a class of header. So which has the more points out of this one? So dot class will has the more points for this one, 10. So for that reason blue is applied. Okay. So after applying this class selector, so this is the 10 points I have told you, right? Now comes the ID selector. So next preference it will be taking it as the ID selector. So let's try to add header -ID. Okay. So if I try to add at the top also, so for example, hash header -ID. Okay. So now what I will try to do here, I will try to apply color of orange. Okay, so now, so this one has a point of 100. Okay, so this one has a point of 100. Now which one will be taken as a priority? Orange will be taken as a priority out of this header. So now for this H2, these all CSS are applying, but which one has the highest point specificity or point nothing but specificity? So this is 100. So for that reason, so ID will be taken care. Okay, so this is about the ID selector. Now, so these are the common things we will be using. Now out of this one, so another important also there. So out of this one, so if you have a inline CSS for this one, so I am applying style is equal to color of brown, okay, or otherwise color of black. I will take it as black. Okay, so now this one has a point of 1000. Okay, so the inline style attribute has a point of 1000. So 1000 is more important, right? So that for that reason black has applied for this one. Okay, so this is the main thing. And out of these all the things, so the last one which we will be having is the important. So if you try to add important for that one, for example, if I try to add star for this one important, so this important will have 10,000 points. Okay, 10,000 points if you try to say. So now which one is having highest points? Star is having the highest points. For that reason it has converted into red color. See, so this is how we will be having the specificity in the CSS. So now these are the things. Star will be 0 and important will be 10,000. So this is the utmost thing. So normally we should not use the important thing. Why? Because so if you use the important thing for anything, so we need to go for this one. For example, see here for the H2 I have added here important. Okay, okay, now H2 now green will be coming here, but I want to apply blue. So again you will go here and you will add the important. Now here the point, here the specificity will be increased to header 10 plus important 1000, 1010. Here 1000 plus 1, 1001. So which one will be important here? Which one will be more points in having? So this is the more 1010, 1001. So now blue will be applied to here. Okay, if you try to see here blue is applied. So this is how the specificity will go increasing. So for that reason we should not apply important. So why? Because so if you start using the important means you will go on using the important everywhere. So most of the time what you want to do is, so you need to decrease using the important thing. So this is the specificity thing. For example, see what I can say here, we are applying the color black is applying, right? Why? Because specificity for the inline is having 1000. So now what I will try to remove, so here I will try to remove the style. So which is applying here, it is applying the orange, right? Now what I will try to do is, so hash header ID, you can apply the combination dot header. So now for this one specificity is, so for the ID we are having 100. Okay, so for the class we are having 10. So it will be something around 1110. The point will be around 1110. Okay, now let's try to apply color of violet. Now which one will be applied here? The point for this one, the what I can say, the specificity is, so for this one point 100 plus, okay, 100 plus 10. Why? Because ID has a 100 and the class has a 10 is equal to 1110. So for that reason 1110 is largest, right? So for that reason violet has been applied here. Okay, so this is the specificity thing. So this is how the important will be taken care by this one. So if you want to know more about this one means, so what you can do is, for example, here you can go into the inspect element and here you will be able to see the, for this H2 what is the CSS applying here. So here you will be able to see that everything has been cancelled because of the specificity issue. So only the header ID of header has been taken care. Okay, why? Because this is having highest points, that is 1110. So this is how we can divide the, what we can say, divide the CSS permission issues. So how whatever the CSS you will be applying, so here you can check it and you can add it like that. So for example, if you don't want to apply this one means, so you can go it something like you can take H2. So here you can take another thing and you can apply H2 here. Okay, so H2 which is having header or something like that, I want to apply violet, everything is indigo. Okay, I want to apply indigo. Now if I apply indigo, it will change to indigo. Why? Because so now it is having the point specificity of 111. Okay, this is how we will be applying. Now if you try to see, these things will not have any issues. So body, inside the body, inside the h2, I want to apply the color red. So these things will not have anything. What I can say is any concern you will be having. So here you can discard that body. So if you are having anything, something like greater than or something like plus, anything if you are applying means these things will not be taken into consideration. So only these type of things. Okay, so hope you understood about the specificity issue. This is one of the important concept. So most of the times in interview, the people will be asking you, and also you also in real time scenarios also you will be able to see that you are going on applying the CSS, and but you will be able to see all will be striked off here because of the specificity issue only. So this is the main thing you need to understand. So here the first one is the star thing, which doesn't have any specificity, 0. So normally we will not use the star. The first one you will be having the element. This is the 1 point. Okay, 1 it will be having first. And another one is the class, which is having of type 10. Okay, where I have applied this class, yeah, it is having of 10. Then comes the id 100. Then comes the inline style, that is nothing but the 1000. So then you will go to what I can say, 10,000 is the important thing. Now if you want to add the combination means you can use it something like combination here. So the specificity will be added here, 111 like that. Okay, hope you understood about the specificity issue. So this is also one of the important questions that will be asked in normally in the what I can say in the interviews. So we have learned about the CSS specificity, border, box model, display property, so many things we have learned it. So hope you understood about the CSS specificity. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.